The first thing you need to do is install the GMass add-on for Gmail. To do this, go to the GMass website at gmass.co and click on Add to Gmail. Now, with GMass installed, you will find it in your inbox. You can hit Compose, and you will find that there's a new button in the bottom, which says GMass. It's the red one. Now you open up the settings by clicking on the arrow, and here you will find the settings for GMass. This is where you can, for instance, set up the auto follow-up stages. So let me add a few stages here. With the stages set up, we can start to type out the email. And first, let's find some recipients. Now I can get them from a Google Sheet, or I can get them from a previous campaign. Here, I will just speed things up a bit to create the first outreach email. So now that we have our emails set up, we have the title, we have a short and compelling first email in the sequence, we have the sequences set up. Now we're ready to send this out, and we do that by just clicking the GMass button. Now you're ready to send out bulk emails and get a really high open rate. What you do with that open rate is of course up to you. And like and subscribe in order to get more tips like this. Thank you for watching, and whatever you're doing, have an awesome day.